everybody. Hope everyone's enjoying the September weather. Agenda for today, gotta go renew my bike license. Wasn't really paying attention to it, but I took a look at it there recently, and I guess it expired last July. Now, I only got it in May, so I'm trying to figure out why it was only good for 2 months. So I'm gonna go get in line at the license bureau, and hopefully I can renew it today. Because I'd rather not get a ticket for having it expired, because that's a couple $100, and they could technically tow the bike on spot if they really want to. With this whole COVID thing though, a lot of stuff has been by appointment only, so I'm not too sure how this is gonna work. Problem is, normally for a renewal, they send you a notice with the amount that you have to pay and due date and all that stuff. But I think I moved not long after I got my license, but like my car license is still like the same address as where I am, like my new address, and I paid for that, so I don't know. I'll find out. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm gonna go get in line at a license bureau. Hopefully it doesn't take 3 hours. 23 from Montebello to Motromble and then down. If I get up there and it's not too cold, I might do Lac Simon. If that car was not in as far, I would have been able to sneak through. Not too bad without thermals underneath the pants, and I'm just wearing like a long sleeve shirt under my jacket. It seems to be pretty decent.